A warm welcome to all of you. Today I am going to show you how to make fruit custard. Fruit custard is an ultimate dessert, easy to make and heavenly in taste. It's loaded with fruits and you can indulge in this heavenly dessert without feeling guilty. So let's get started. For making fruit custard, I have taken 4 tablespoons of custard powder, quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder. Nuts you can add of your choice. I have used peeled and sliced almonds, cashews and raisins, and fruits I will be showing you later. And milk I have taken 1 liter, that's around 4 cups. Sugar around 4 tablespoons, or you can use according to your taste. Now I have started heating up milk and I will be adding cardamom powder, nuts and sugar to it and bring it to boil. Keep stirring occasionally. Then in custard powder add cold milk or water and mix it to a smooth consistency so that no lumps are formed, and then add this to boiling milk. And we have to keep stirring continuously so that no lumps are formed. We will keep stirring. Here the heat is between medium to high so that it thickens a bit. So here you can see it has thickened. So now I'll turn off the flame and transfer it to a bowl and let it cool down completely. So once it has cooled down completely, we will be adding fruits. I have taken chopped mangoes, grapes, apples, bananas and pomegranate. So I'll be adding all these fruits to custard. Mix properly so that all the fruits are mixed with the custard, and then let it chill in refrigerator for around 2 hours, minimum 2 hours. It tastes best when chilled. So after 2 hours custard is ready. Now we'll serve it. It's a popular dessert and perfect to complete any grand meal. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.